Our next video proves that it's not the size of the dog that counts, it's the size of his bladder.
This looks like the graph of my stock portfolio. Hey, just don't get any on your nice blue sweater.
Oh, my God.
That's it for tonight, America. Stay classy.
Did you have to go to the bathroom, Chester? Huh? Can't let me still go.
Congratulations. Now, what are you going to do special for the best bladder on the planet with $100,000?
He's going to go on a cruise with us.
He's going on the cruise.
Absolutely, and a huge filet mignon.
Wonderful. Chester, congratulations. You've done it big for your family, mister.
Yeah.